In this video, we'll show you how to access and repair damaged fins on a TropiCal inverter heat pump. You'll learn how to safely disassemble the front panel, remove the protective screening, and use a fin comb to straighten damaged fins, restoring proper airflow and improving overall efficiency. Tools you'll need include a star screwdriver, a fin comb with 14 fins per inch, and zip ties. Start by carefully unscrewing and removing the front panel to expose the internal components. To improve accessibility to the fins, disconnect the display screen. Next, unscrew the protective screening and cut the zip ties, securing it in place. Once the screening is removed, the damaged fins will be fully accessible. Using the fin comb, gently straighten the bent fins to restore airflow and performance. Once the fins are repaired, reinstall the protective screening by placing it back over the unit, securing it with new zip ties and fastening it with screws. Bring the front panel close to the unit and reconnect the display screen. Finally, fasten the front panel back into place with screws. Always follow safety guidelines and use the recommended tools for best results. For additional support, refer to your service manual or contact technical assistance.